Hey, I'm Justin.
And I'm Scott.
And guess what?
We live in for L-O-V-E, love.
All right, life lovers, it's morning, and we are here at the Sahara Las Vegas.
And we got the Alexandria King Suite.
Yes, and I was pleasantly surprised.
Hello. Welcome to our room at the Sahara. So let's go ahead and talk about the pros and the cons.
Pros and the cons.
Pros and the cons.
Pros and the cons.
Pros and the
Cons. Yeah. All right, I'd like to start off by talking about the tapestries on the wall. I like them because it's something so different. I've never seen something like
yeah,
it before.
I never.
And it does add texture to the room, but it's material. I think it's gonna, have odors trapped in it. And when we walked into the room, there was some kind of lived-in smell. And I don't care if they spray those with Febreze or whatever kind of chemical that they use to try to, we don't even know if they do that.
Right.
But it does have a smell that odors have been trapped in here.
We'd like to show you around a little bit.
Please do.
Let's first head into the bathroom. Full-size body mirror on the barn-style door, scuffing on the wall. That hides the water closet. On the other side, you'll notice plenty of used storage. An unbelievable amount of storage, like shelves and there's no closet, but that open storage is huge. Double vanity.
Let's talk about the bathroom.
A mirror that has the nice lighting elements as well. Yeah, super modern, super bright.
One thing I don't like is the water that comes out, like the spout for the sink. It's so close. There's like this much room from where the water comes out and then the bottom of the sink. Yeah, so I know that doesn't show up well on camera. They're like, what? Yeah.
How much?
Yeah.
Let's head into the main part of the room. Another full-size mirror.
For what?
So you can check yourself before you hit the strip. Over here, we've got the television, which is already watching HGTV.
The TV. The TV. The TV. I was gonna say TVs.
Nope, this one is just one TV.
Just one.
It does, however, swivel, so the seating area can also watch TV easily. But even though it's big, it's like 2006, 2008 big, and it's not, I don't know if it's full HD even. The colors are off, the picture is off. We've got the desk.
Interesting placement for the desk. It's right underneath the TV. So say if I'm busy editing and he wants to watch TV, my big old head is in the way.
Well, your head just has to be in the room to be in the way of something.
So it's in the way, and also, not to mention, it's noisy, so I can't be working. My head is right next to the TV speakers.
Yeah.
So it's odd.
Over here, we've got an actual, it looks like an espresso machine, to be honest, but I think just a coffee, like a more advanced Keurig kind of thing. We also have a fridge down there. Look at this huge lounge couch. Oh, like a Chase, I think is what they call it. Chase lounger, oversized Chase lounge element. Really, really cool, and I love that they have the two contrasting colored chairs that are identical, other than that color. And everything's white and sleek and clean looking. However, they are not comfortable. The bed, where the magic happens.
The bed.
Oh, the bed. Oh my God, so comfortable. The pillows were soft and like 2 king-size pillows for each side, and like a pillow headboard, which is kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Another maybe trap smells kind of idea.
Yeah, a cloth, like it's
Yeah.
cloth headboard for a room like this.
But those linens.
No telling what's on that headboard.
But those linens,
Those
to get back to
linens,
the good.
Those linens, probably the softest that I've ever felt.
Sex mirror above the bed.
Justin's pressing thoughts. Justin's pressing thoughts. Hello, this is Justin's Pressing Thoughts, and we are doing an iron review again. So, this is a Conair. Let me tell you, we are here at the Sahara, and the iron is actually pretty decent. I mean, it looks like brand new. It presses really, really nice. It heats up fast. I love my irons. And yeah, the thing is the button for the steam doesn't come out the way I like it to come out. I like a psh, 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 psh.
Drama.
But it doesn't.
Drama.
But guess what? I found a toy. And it was hidden with the iron.
Fancy that.
It's a steamer!
Oh, they realized that their iron can't steam.
Oh!
And just got, bam. Look at that.
You know what? I should have just asked him behind the camera.
Yep.
Yeah, steamer. I love it. So, that concludes Justin's Pressing Thoughts.
And Scott's steamy thoughts. My favorite element of this room. Come position yourself. What are these blinds concealing, I wonder? So much drama.
So much life.
It's a peekaboo shower. Peekaboo. Window. It's really cool. I think that's a clever feature, and I don't know that I've ever been in a room before that had that. And it's controlled from the bedroom side, so like somebody showering in there, just turn that, open it, and
Yes.
full view.
Full view. So you have to, when you're showering, trust whoever's in the room with you if you want your privacy. Let's face it, this room really doesn't have, it's not made for...
Not really made for privacy.
Yeah. It's you're probably a couple if you're coming here or something like that. So, but yeah, if you want your privacy, you have to trust the person on the other side of that peekaboo.
And I spent like a good amount of time while he wasn't even showering. He's just like getting ready for the night. And I spent like 3 minutes just staring through the window, waiting for him to notice my face just right there. It was great.
I know. And then at one point when I was about to get in the shower, I noticed him right there, face like this. Scary movie scene, and he knows how I feel about that. When you see a scary movie and their windows have no curtains, it's always the rich folk. The windows have no curtains and they're like floor to ceiling, and I'm talking about like 20 foot.
And they're just living their life in view.
And it's dark outside. You don't know someone see out, but people can see in. Yeah, no, that was me confirming why I will have drapes if I'm ever rich with 20 foot windows. Yeah.
Let's check that view. So the last thing about this room is it has a really good view, considering. It is Sahara. It is way north of the Strip, even though they have a billboard out front that says the Strip starts here. I'm sorry, it doesn't. it starts at like Encore, if
Yeah.
we're being realistic.
Yes. And even that's controversial. Some people
Even
will
that
be.
is that is the far edge of the Strip.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, it's like saying that, oh, the Strip just goes forever and ever. No, there's a stop.
And at least for now.
And it's expanding for sure. Resort World is coming, and I think that's going to extend that.
Yeah.
It's going to make it more continuous.
Exactly, because you
It's
can
not
see the
here
Resort
now.
World.
It would take a 30-minute walk for us to get to the Strip.
Yeah, the Strip. Yeah, the happening part of the Strip.
So, that's the room. Thank you so much for joining us. Won't you join us again next time?
Show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. So tell me what you're thinking of.
What the fuck was that?
Art.